You probably have seen the different cabbage varieties in your local supermarket: green, purple, and Savoy, which is commonly called Napa cabbage. As far as vegetables go, cabbage tends to get a bad rap. In fact, the ancient Greeks believed cabbage would damage their grapes and refused to plant the vegetable anywhere near their vines, while the Romans and Egyptians ate it with meals simply because they believed it would prevent hangovers from wine. Fast forward a couple thousand years, and attitudes towards cabbage have really changed. Today, almost every country has a traditional dish that features cabbage, like sauerkraut across Europe or kimchi in Korea. Here in the US, you can find cabbage in almost every summer picnic in the form of coleslaw. Cabbage is packed with lots of vitamin C, which our body needs to repair itself after injury. Vitamin C is also an important antioxidant and helps prevent damage to the trillions of cells in our body. Like most vegetables, cabbage is a good source of fiber, which helps promote regular and proper digestion. So the next time you're looking to change up your veggies for dinner, consider this healthy and versatile ingredient.